Okay, this is just going to talk about the VWAP rolling average, if you will, that for TradeStation basically just calculates a dynamic VWAP, looking so many bars back. It's not fixed to anything. It's just kind of a, like I said, a rolling VWAP that's based on the number of bars. I think this one we got the default to 21. You can color it if you want it to, like, be green when we're above and red when we're below. You can pick those colors here. The default colors right here, the dark gray, and you can show, like, there's a standard deviation band. I think it'll show around it as well, so you could do that. But basically this just lets you pick the length. So this works on any time frame, but a daily, 21, basically kind of one trading month, if you will, 21 trading days typically in a month. So it's just kind of looking back over a monthly period, seeing where we are in relation to the VWAP for the past 21 days. And it's just like I say, just a rolling average. Usually does a decent job at kind of showing you where the trend is and where we are in relation to the VWAP, or kind of that break-even price, if you will, over the past number of periods you're looking at. So hopefully this is a useful tool for you.